Hello. Toes. Okay. So we're doing fidget trading. This is our board, by the way. It's paper. So add, accept, and decline.
Don't mind if this is blurry or the light starts changing. That's not our fault.
Maybe like
Okay, true.
Sorry.
I'm done this, guys.
I'm playing with my fidget cube. 2 seconds. This might take a while.
Yeah, my one's.
I'm good at fidget cubes. Look, I already got that done. In that seconds, I got that done. Those green.
Because some of that was already there, anyways.
No, they weren't.
Okay, do you want to add added, subtract and stuff? Let's see. Do you want to add for this size something? Actually, no. Hedgehog. This thing has so much things on it.
Oh
Whoa.
my god! I just threw it up and catched it like that.
I know.
Did you just see that?
Ooh.
No, that was close.
Oops, nope, that was awesome.
See my butt.
Look at that! She literally threw it at me like that and it just landed.
Like my phone case. I have the iPhone like 8.
Yeah, and it still looks like an iPhone like 14 or something.
No, it does not. Evie. Oh my god, so bring your life. It does not. Does not at all. Okay, I want to add this. I'm adding this. It pops.
And you can change it. Yeah, it's a fidget spinner. It's a puppet and it's an octopus at the same time. Like you can change it to motion. I'm gonna add it.
This guy is very annoyed that you did not like the video or This guy is very annoyed you did not like or subscribe to me. So
he looks sad.
No, he's annoyed. Look, he's rolling his eyes.
Oh, I see.
He was.
This dude will cast a spell on you if you don't do it. If you don't do as he say, you're getting cursed for life.
And he's very worried that you have not done it, so he really wants you to done it.
If you don't want him to
He's worried!
If you don't want him to be happy, go to hell.
Okay, shut up.
Yeah, we
subscribe now. I'm trying to get to 50 subscribers to go live, but please just stop.
We want to go live.
Yeah.
So I'm adding him the Galaxy one.
Subscribe.
So this is Galaxy for Octopus. What do you say?
I say. What do you say?
I say.
I say this. I say that. I say decline. She wanted these 2 precious things for 1 puppet. She's a cheater.
No, Edna.
One puppet.
Not one puppet. Not one puppet. It was these 2.
Sorry for her very bad behavior. Don't.